So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can check all the Google reviews that is done using some any random Gmail account. Now in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have. Now here you need to search for EP EPOS. Just simply search for the same and open this first website that appear right in front of you. Now once you open it, here you need to enter, just simply make sure that you're not doing anything illegal. Now enter your email address and hit on this option of search. Now once you do it, it will ask you to something to verify for you. Now once you do it, let me quickly do it. And once you verify that you are not a bot, you'll notice that it has starting to digging the same email. Now you'll find all the details about that particular mail. Now just simply click on this option of Google Maps right there. Click over there and you'll notice it will bounce back to a Google Maps page, and from here you can easily check that wherever is that particular Gmail have been using, like whatever the posts they have made and everything about the same. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.